The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video. Right now we're doing Matic. It's down by 4% when a lot of stuff is up. You know, the Dogecoin and the Bitcoin and the stuffs are up. Actually, the Bitcoin is right now minus 0.12%, but that's kind of expected. It kind of went too far up yesterday. It kind of went too far up, so it's on the way back down again. What's gonna happen there, we don't know, but we are doing Bitcoin video every single day. You can watch the Bitcoin video from today, and you'll see that I'm talking that we might actually have some kind of pullback that might actually be some kind of a bad sign for us, but overall it's gonna stay in the range for the day, we think. That said, join the Telegram group. A bunch of nice people there right now, just growing and growing, 2,200 plus members. So don't go through the crypto boots alone. Go with people, like-minded people. A lot of them have Matic as well, so you know, that's nice. That said, we just hit 1 million views on this channel. I don't know how we managed to do that, but for everybody watching the videos, thank you. I appreciate it. You know, the money is okay. YouTube money, I'm not gonna complain. I like money. It's okay. Money is okay, but I like the views more. I get more happy when I have a lot of views than, you know, money is okay. I'm not complaining. I'm not saying you should just stop giving me money, but you know, the views are, the 1 million views are nice. It's some kind of achievement. That said, while we're talking about money, check the Patreon. It's gonna help you. We got something called daily altcoins video. We do like 30 plus altcoins every single day. We do requests and stuff. So first thing in the morning, early in the morning, we check the market, how it's gonna go, and rank the coins up and down. So if you have trouble picking out coins, good coins, bad coins, good coins versus bad coins, if you wanna know what we think about Matic, because here on YouTube we are always giving people hope, you know, always like, yeah, it's gonna go, it's gonna be okay. But there we are kind of honest with ourselves, because we are traders, you know, so we know actually what's gonna happen. So if that's something for you, check it out. That said, let's get into the charts, man. Oh, that was a long intro, man. That was a long intro. Wow, I hope you didn't click away. That said, let's see what's actually happening with Matic, and it looks like we are inside correction. The bad thing is coming on the 4-hourly chart. I mean, it's terrible. It's not bad, it's terrible, because on the 4-hour we actually breaking the 10 and 20 moving average and falling towards this 50 moving average. So when is the 50 moving average gonna catch us? It depends. It can go like straight down and something like that. We are looking for the 50 average, because right now the 10 and 20 moving average on the 4-hour has actually kind of disappointed us. So you can see here also that the 10 moving average on the daily is at 0.6, and on the 4-hour is 50 moving average as 0.6. So that might be some kind of coincidence that they are gonna hit each other on the same number. So when this starts going a little bit more down, and this pull-ups, we want to be caught by the 10 moving average. Now the problem is going to come if we get down here and we fall through the 10 moving average. Then we have to look for the 50 moving average and so forth and so forth, and it's not kind of a place where you want to be. Yesterday's video we are talking a lot about Matic, about this pump over here that's happening on the weekly chart. It just exploded too much. It's exploded too much. That's over 100%. 100% really quickly within days. I think it took like 2 days to get up there, and then slowly pumping up more. But we are talking about what's more important, the moving averages or the RSI. We are looking at this RSI. This is the rubber band index. You don't want to stretch it too much, you know, like a rubber band. If you stretch it too much, it pulls back, right? So right now it's all the way up at 94 levels. What's that? 93 point something, sitting on 93%. That's very high. You can see here we are getting to these levels, 94, 96. We are getting high. Even we pushed even higher. We kind of had 1 week of correction down to 86, and then pushed even higher. But then we got something called divergent, because the price was going up, the RSI was going down, and then we got into this sideways correction to reset the RSI. Unfortunately, the problem with Matic is that this rubber band index, the RSI, did not reset. On a lot of other coins, BTT, Harmony One, Holochain, a lot of other coins, and we watch a lot of coins on our daily altcoins video on Patreon. A lot of coins like went all the way down to the 70, 60 levels where it should be. Now we were watching Matic and we were saying like, this doesn't seem right. It's sitting at 80 levels. 80 levels are not good levels to continue pumping, so why should they pump? But unfortunately, I don't know if it's fortunate or unfortunate, it hit the 10 moving average and pumped really hard. Not only that, Matic, when everything was in red here previous week, Matic was in green. Matic was in green. So we also said that Matic is gonna be the first one to pop the cherry when it comes to the top. There are a lot of altcoins that are gonna go high up, but Matic is gonna be one of the first come to some kind of top and go into another correction. Now when that correction is going to come or not depends. We are still looking at this RSI index, because you can see here that on this week over here it was at 94, the next week it was at 96, so it went higher. Right now it's 93, next week it can be 95. This can continue going up. So that's why I'm saying, like, what's more important, the high RSI, or the moving averages. Now the good thing is we pumped on the 10 moving average on the daily, so we are not actually extended. We are not actually that very extended. So this can continue. This can continue going up next week. There is no problem. The only problem is that we are extended on the weekly, but it doesn't have to be a bad thing. You can see here, like, you can continue 94, 95, 96. Like, I've seen coins that go like this until 98, 99 levels. Like, right? Just continue. This is 93. The next week is like 94, 5, and then it's like 97. It's like it can do something like this, and for the next 4 weeks it can just continue going up. So I'm not totally bearish on Matic, because we are actually sitting on very good levels. Even on the daily, we hit up at 82, so with some kind of correction it has to come. How big correction is going to be? In uptrend you can see the correction comes down to like something like 60 levels. It doesn't go all the way down to 50 levels, but 60 levels, maybe a little between 60 and 70 levels. And right now we are there, we are 68. So maybe this is just going to continue for a couple of more days. And then continue up. But right now I don't think it's gonna be a good day today. But in a couple of days this might actually continue going up. So I have a big faith that this is gonna continue going up, exactly because RSI, the rubber band index, doesn't have to come down, because it already started at some kind of 80 levels, and it just have to push through this 93, 94, 95 levels. So it can continue a couple of more weeks upside, especially because the 10 moving average, the white line up here, the white line is actually pushing the price upward, because the prices in the technical analysis are following the moving averages, and when you're above them you are bullish, and we are bullish now. The investors are all looking on the weekly charts for a 10 moving average hit. These hits over here, these are very powerful hits, and that's why this can actually continue going up for a couple of more weeks before we get into the next correction, and then wait for the 10 moving average again. That said, this looks good. I have no problem with Matic. I'm just interested in, the only thing I'm interested in learning what's more important, the moving average or the RSI. Because usually if we had been extended from the moving average and sitting on 93 on this rubber band index on RSI, I would usually say it's game over, finish. We are going into some kind of multi-week correction. Now I cannot say that, because we are not quite there yet. So it's gonna be interesting to follow on Matic. We're gonna keep on following Matic on this channel, so you need to subscribe to the channel and follow Matic as well. That said, come to the Telegram group. We got live streams, we got voice chat in Telegram, we got nice people panicking all the time because they are watching 5-minute charts. So come there and learn how not to watch 5-minute charts and watch high time frames and stuff like that. And check the Patreon group, man. I'm telling you, if you have trouble picking up coins, that's the best place to be. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for giving me 1 million views. I appreciate it. Another milestone reached. Now we are going for 20k subs. Just one more 1k sub and we are there. So thanks, guys. Thanks everybody. See you around. Bye bye.